What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a low fade. This is before I cut my hair right here. I'll show you guys right now what it looks like after. Not too bad for the third time cutting it. If you're new to the channel, guys, this channel is going to be all about reviews on clippers and trimmers, and also self haircuts. So please like, comment, and subscribe so I can keep growing this channel. So here I started off with the half guard closed, and I try to do my line all the way around as a base. Alright, this is what it's gonna look like after I got done with the half guard going around. Then I proceeded to use the same guard, half guard, lever open. That's after I got done with that. Next up, I used one guard, lever open, and I did the same thing going up about probably finger's width. Now for the back of my head, I did use a handheld mirror. I wasn't able to show that process, but pretty much the mirror, using your restroom mirror with the handheld, and you can get to the back of your head. Next up was a lever 2 open, doing the same thing, going a little bit higher than the previous guard that you just put in. Alright, guys, this is after the lever 2 open so far. A low fade, trying to go for that low fade this time. Alright, here we go with the lever 3 open, with the guard 3 open. Alright, guys, I'm going to try to erase that line that I built right there on the side. Here I got the cordless. Alright, guys, it's getting a little late for me, so I think I'm gonna have to cut it right there. I think I messed it up here somewhere on the side. I couldn't really fit that in. Maybe I'll try to fix it tomorrow. But this is when you wear hats. We're learning here on this channel as we go, so bear with me. We're gonna be doing more of these videos, going at it with these haircuts. Come on, focus. There you go. But so far that's it right there. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of lineup, and hit the top a little bit with the scissors, and I'll try to show you guys the end result tomorrow once I put some gel on it and everything. Alright guys, wait, a little bit of water. This is what it looks like right now. kind of combed it back a little bit and kind of cut a little bit of the top, not too much, because I want it a little long. So you can see the back. There you go. And then on the side, low fade, slick back.
Here I'm using my Andes Insight Slim cordless trimmer, 9-piece trimmer kit, which I picked up for like 29 bucks at Sally's. Pretty good trimmers. They're pretty much zeroed out. I have a previous video on that one, unboxing, that I did on a earlier video. If you want to go check that out. Now understand, you're not going to get your haircut as exactly as you want it the first time. It's going to take a couple times to get the hang of it and kind of learn how to adjust yourself to cutting your own hair. So you might mess it up the first couple of times, so be aware of that. Have some hats around in case you got to put a hat on if you feel like your haircut's a little too messed up or something. And there you have it, guys. Low fade. Drop a like, comment, subscribe, so we can keep growing this channel, please. I think it looks pretty clean, not too bad. I'll be rocking this out. Let me know what you guys think on the comments below. And we'll be back in a couple of weeks, 2 weeks maybe, for the next haircut. Peace.